Good morning. We have our typical Starbucks order for the day. The bed is made. Sometimes English is really hard for me, but we are Palo Santo'd. I Palo Santo'd my room, myself, my dog, all of the things, and now we're just chilling. Gonna get in a good journal session in a minute, but I wanted to say hi. Say welcome to day 3 of our vlog series challenge situation. Happy May 3rd. It's currently 11:04. I'm listening to Drake's new album, which, no coincidence, his new album, well, it's more of like a, I don't know what you would call it. Anyways, his new album dropped the same day my merch dropped, so the Illuminati is doing some good planning. Anyways, hello. Happy day 3. And that's all I have to say right now. Okay, so we finished journaling for the day. I only did 2 pages of journaling this morning, one about my feelings and kind of talking myself up. The thing is that in human design, so a lot of people know about astrology, some people know about human design. Human design is kind of like astrology, like you have your own chart, but it's a completely different thing. Anyways, so in human design, I'm a manifesting generator, and it's really important for us when we were manifesting certain things and like really building our lives, for us to be excited. Like, excitement is what we thrive off of as a manifesting generator. And so for me today, I was feeling a little bit like a little bit weird about all of the house stuff, and I had gotten this download from my spirit guides of what action to take next. I was really resistant towards it. Just really didn't want to take that action, which it all makes sense later, and I'm sure I'll talk about it, but it didn't make sense. Well, it made sense, but I didn't want to do it, and I did it this morning. But before I did said action step, I know I'm being really ambiguous, but I had to kind of talk myself into it. It was writing down how I was feeling about the house, like a little bit of anxiety, a little bit of confusion, a little bit of doubt, and then I was like, wait, I never doubt the universe. The universe has never given me a reason to doubt. Everything always comes together and happens for a reason. So I talked myself through, talked myself up, and then I took said action step and just allowed myself to get really excited, because that energy is the energy that you want to manifest. It's like the excitement energy, not the like, I hope this works energy, because that's not what you want to manifest. So wrote about all of that, talked myself up, channeled some good messages, like I didn't come this far to only go this far, like it's safe to receive my desires, blah blah blah. And then I wrote out a whole page of kind of my vibes that I'm stepping into. So this is something that I do with a new moon ritual, is I decide what are my intentions for the month and what are 3 words or emotions that really capture all of my intentions for the month. So, or for like the moon cycle essentially. So for this moon cycle, I chose wealth, impact, and creativity. So every day I write about those 3 things. I write like I'm wealthy and what that means to me and what that looks like and feels like. I write I'm creative, what that looks like and feels like. I'm impactful, and I really write myself into those feelings until I feel like, yeah, I am wealthy. Yes, I'm creative as fuck. Yeah, I'm making a huge impact. And that's just how I manifest all of my intentions, is just by stepping into the core feelings that all the intentions line up with. Does that make sense? So, and we actually have a full moon coming up soon, so maybe we can do a ritual in our vlog for that day, which is super exciting. But anyway, so went through all of that, and now I'm just making a grocery list because we got to go grocery shopping today, Trader Joe's, maybe like Hy-Vee or something. And so I wanted to show you guys what I do when I'm planning out my meals for the week. I don't believe in the word try. Every week, I just didn't do it last week because I don't know why. Oh, because I was taking pictures for the merch line. But anyway, so every Sunday I like to make a menu of the foods that I'm eating that week, and then I make a big grocery list for all the things. So I just do this in the notes section of my phone. how can I show you guys this best? Basically, I make a little, I'm looking in the viewfinder so I can see what you guys are seeing. I make a list of all of the things, and so I intermittent fast. I do intermittent fasting. So I only ever eat lunch and dinner, and in the morning I just have a coffee, which I think is kind of cheating, but I don't believe in rules anyways. So every day, so I'll say menu for, this one says May 3rd to May 9th, which I actually just did till the 8th because Saturdays is kind of like a free-for-all. And then I write down like what is the lunch that day and what's the dinner, and I have that planned out every day. So instead of taking all of this time to figure out what do I want to eat today, what am I hungry for, do I have the ingredients for that, do I need to go to the store, I just look at my phone and say, okay, this is the lunch for today, okay, this is the dinner for today, and it saves so much time. Do I stick to the meals every single time? Not always. Sometimes I do have cravings. I'll be like, I'm really in the mood for this, or like, oh, it's too hot today, I don't want soup, or you know, little things like that. But just having the base of that set up in your life is so amazing because you save so much energy. So like this week today for lunch is getting a smoothie and then going grocery shopping. Dinner is going to be a salad. And these are just some of the meals that I eat. And I'm vegan. Yeah, that's basically it, just vegan. Lunch tomorrow is avocado toast. Dinner is like ramen and spring rolls. So I kind of just detail out what are all the things that I'm eating. And then afterwards I make an OG like grocery list with all the bullet points. So I write down what are each of the things that I'm cooking. So one of them is like stuffed peppers. So then I have a list of all the ingredients I need for that, like peppers, this mix of veggies that I get at Trader Joe's, garlic spread, because I use a garlic spread as kind of like the binder for everything instead of like a cheese or a milk. And then I like to get vegan beef crumbles for that. And then I have all this on the list. So for some of them, they're already checked off, the little yellow ones, because I already have those at home. So for like the salad list, I already have cashews here, and I like to make like cauliflower wings. I get the cauliflower wings from Trader Joe's, and I like to put them in my salad, and I already have those in my freezer. So that's what I like to do. And then I go to Trader Joe's first usually, because there are like specific things that I get there, like pesto for my pasta, certain salad dressings, different things like that. And then maybe go to Whole Foods or like Hy-Vee to get the rest. So that's how I plan all my food for the week. It's also nice to have the plan because then you can choose to eat healthier foods. I'm really wanting to eat more salads, and I want to, for snacks, eat more apples. So it's like when I can plan that out, I'm more likely to have an apple as a snack when I get it on the grocery list and I like cut it up and I have it ready in the fridge. I'm more likely to go eat a salad for lunch when it's on the list and prepped and ready to go. That's just gonna set you up for success, literally. So that's that. Let's go grocery shopping, and I'm really ready for a smoothie. We're gonna go to Smoothie King today to get smoothies, so see you there. My smoothie. We got our smoothies. Smoothie King. I got the mango kale. What did you get?
The Peanut Power Plus with chocolate and extra peanut butter.
Non-vegan. Vegan. So just got back from grocery shopping, finishing a coffee from this morning. I always get these at Whole Foods for my like second coffee of the day. I get either this one or the one I showed you guys yesterday. This, I love La Colombe. They have a coffee shop in LA, so freaking good. I just pour that over ice as well. And then at Trader Joe's, I also got myself some pink roses. These guys are slowly losing color and looking a little sad, so I get new flowers every week. Gotta replace those, and gonna clean the apartment a bit. We are currently drying some laundry, and Zara's getting on the laundry. Okay. Tumbler. I have no vases and I refuse to buy them since I'll be moving soon, but we put our pretty roses in here. And then I also changed the crystals for the week. So this is like my mini desk altar, other than we have Ganesh hanging out over there. But I like to change this up every week with the crystals. This big guy always stays, and then our little Kuan Yin always stays, and we rotate the candle. keep these 2 pennies, but everything else we switch because I hold these while I'm doing podcast interviews, recording, client calls, whatever. So I kind of ask like, what's the vibe of the week? And then I see what I'm called towards. So this week it was all like purple, lots of amethyst. We have this clear quartz. We have an celestial quartz, which is about like connecting to your spirit guides and stuff. So it's gonna be a good spiritual week apparently on all my calls. Cleaned all of the things. This is a bunch of laundry that I have drying on my bed because I have the most shitty dryer ever. But, and right here, we are going to, we're gonna make our coffee. We have our wine glass with ice, and then literally all we're gonna do is just pour this right over the top. This is the coffee I showed you guys earlier. And yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. I just went, oh my god, the camera's tilted down. Wait, but I'm kind of into this angle. Looking kind of good right now. I just cleaned the whole apartment, went like crazy with cleaning. I threw away a bunch of trash and then my boyfriend took it outside. I did the dishes, wiped down a counter, just organized the couch pillows, all the things, doing laundry, put away all the groceries. It's really important for me to have an organized space because I truly believe if you have a messy space, you have a messy mind. And honestly, like I just manage way too much to be able to afford to have a messy mind. I already am like, have enough craziness going on up here in the first place. I don't need to add to it. So if that's in my control that I can clean my space, then of course I'm gonna do it. And that's little extra things too, like lighting candles, getting flowers, all the things, wiping down my desk every day, little stuff like that. That makes my heart sing. And what better day to do it than Sunday? So we have that going on. I'm gonna put in a hair mask. I have this argan oil hair treatment I like to put in. I'll grab it and show it to you guys, but it makes my hair so soft and shiny. So I'm gonna put that in my hair and then I'll shower tonight and wash it out. My hair will be amazing tomorrow. You guys will see it. Maybe we'll even do something crazy and style it. That would be something else, huh? Oh yeah, and the whole reason why I sat down to film this clip was because I wanted to talk about why I drink out of wine glasses. So this is something that I picked up doing when I hosted my very first retreat in Greece. So 2 years ago, it was July of 2018, I hosted a week-long retreat in Athens, Greece, and then also we did an island hopping day, all this stuff. It was fabulous. It was so amazing. And we drink in these big wine glasses every single day, just like water, when we would do our workshops and stuff. And it kind of stuck with me ever since. I didn't have wine glasses at home because I was underage at the time. I couldn't drink. Now I'm 22. But every time I would travel and I would stay at like a hotel or an Airbnb, I would always use wine glasses. Or if I was hosting a retreat, I would always make wine glasses with water for the girls. And it's just something that stuck with me ever since. And in Bali, that's literally all I would drink out of was wine glasses. So now I do it, and especially with my coffee, and it's just like a vibe. That's the whole point of doing this. It's just kind of a vibe. You know, when you're in a restaurant and you have like a nice glass of rosé or like a red wine with your dinner and you just feel like bougie and it's cute and it makes good pictures, it's like, why not do that with your coffee or water during the day? So it's just a vibe. That's all that it is. That's all that anything in life ever is a vibe. So cheers to that. And what's next? I don't know. Let's find out. Doing my hair mask and then my camera died, so we're filming this on my phone. But you guys saw the product I use is the DP Hue. It's like an argan oil treatment. If I can find it online, I'll link it down in the description, so just look away there. And then I pop it in a bun, and I leave it all day, and then I will wash my hair tonight and my hair will be silky and soft tomorrow. So that happened. I got a little bit of work done. I'm launching my new program. I'm so excited. It's called Conscious Creators. It's a business building program along with like a consciousness expansion program. It's gonna be so epic. I'm teaching it live, which I'm really excited about. So launching that, and then went for a long walk and going to get Qdoba for dinner. So freaking hungry. But one thing I wanted to tell you guys, let's go into my closet here. This is my closet. Welcome. One thing that I'm doing, because I'm gonna be moving soon, I'm trying to be super cutthroat with what I'm bringing to the new house. So something I'm gonna do tonight is go through my closet and all the clothes and things that I've folded and ask myself, is this something? So for example, I'll hold up a piece of clothes. I'll be like, is this something that I want to bring inside my multi-million-dollar house? And if it's no, it's getting thrown out. If it's a yes, it gets to stay. So basically it's just a next level embodiment of like, what would your next level self wear in her next level home at the next level? And if you wouldn't want to bring a certain like clothing piece into like that nice of a home or that nice of an environment, then why do you even own it? So I'm gonna be super cutthroat with all my stuff tonight, just to start boiling down what I'm bringing with me to LA. So I'm gonna go get Qdoba and eat. So bad, but I need to finish off this vlog. So I had Qdoba, watched the third Matrix movie, had a meltdown, because I'll update you guys on all of that tomorrow. I'm way too tired and emotionally drained to explain it in this video, but that's been my day. Super random, lots of life things. I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna get some work done, edit this video, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. So have a